mark it, put a little bend in this thing, right? Push it all the way through, make sure it hangs straight. You don't want it bunched like this. Try to get this thing as straight as possible.
Hey, real?
Yeah. He's got one.
That's a fish. That's a fish. Good job, baby. Easy. You grab your rod. Grab your rod. The water. Yep.
All right, hold this fish. You gotta watch out he doesn't flip.
Oh.
Okay. Just almost.
Oh, you got one too.
Yeah,
Nice.
Okay, release.
Sweet.
Who's got one?
Yes, sir. Oh, look at that.
That's 4.
That was a hard bite, Ed.
Was it?
Oh, that's a fish, Jan. Good job.
I gotta reach out and grab it. Okay, hold on, guys.
Oh my
hold
God.
on, I'm out of control here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
All right, we're good. 93 to go.
Oh, bigger. Bigger, Ed. Oh, Ed. That's bigger. Boom! Woohoo! That's a solid fish right there. Yeah.
Oh, no, put everything back on.
What?
Yeah, you gotta have
no,
the
no,
gear.
no, no,
The,
you don't have
the
to.
cap?
Thumbs up. Good trip today.
All right. So that that counts as 2. Put some more. Procure.
91 to go.
That happened my last trip. Like I just started eating something, and then people started getting bites.
Yeah.
And then the boat captain, he told me to like keep eating.
You got one. All right, easy, 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 easy. Hold on, hold on. Oh, we got a double.
Wow.
You have to.
Hey, hey, hey.
Push this fish out. Okay. You keep it back there.
Y'all lucky I started eating some Cheetos.
Keep eating that Cheeto. Oh, shoot.
Whoa.
Ed, is this your rod?
No, bring it in. Oh, it is. Is that one?
Oh no way! No way!
Oh, that's a good reel. NASCI?
Yep.
This is your rod?
Dude,
Dude,
you hooked a rod, dude.
I couldn't even do this if I tried. That counts. That counts. We're tied up. We're tied up. Yo, can I get some of this? I'm freaking starving. I mean, it was decent. I won't say I'm impressed or anything. Alright, coming up, guys. To just, you know. Oh, there we go, Julian.
Go.
That was a good set.
Good job, dude. Step back. Cool.
Man, hungry out here. Yo, can I have another handful? Alright, we're gonna get bit right now, Jan.
We call them Betty White. You know how you eat a Snickers bar? And
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh!
Dude, what happened? You missed it?
Whoa.
Missed it. Oh, Ed, I need a sharpener. The hook point is rolled, that's why.
All right, so what do you guys do for a living?
We build websites.
Yeah, I would. Just
I like this spot. A whole lot of rocks, and we got a fish.
that fish is under the boat. Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn the boat. I'm gonna go back and sit down again. We're gonna slow down on this bank. That fish was under the boat.
Fish?
There you go. There you go.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
oh. Fish?
Yep, that's a fish.
Yeah, you got a fish, dude. Weren't you just reeling in?
This spot is lucky, man. Just
Oh, we got another one. Good job. That was right under the boat.
hey.
This is right next to the boat.
You guys want a picture of double? Have you guys had the double yet?
Triple.
We have not had it. Oh. We don't want to get it.
Quite early.
Julian, watch out.
The triple.
Oh, triple.
Hold that tongue up.
All right.
Like he caught his fish just like 1 minute later.
Oh my god. They're off these rocks.
Lift your rod here.
Hey, morning.
Oh no, this is tied up. This is the one that ties it up.
And
That's a fish. Well, look who took the lead. No? Oh, good job, Brendan. That's a fish. Real. What are you doing? There you go.
Oh, the quad. There you go.
That's a nice fish, Brendan.
We got mapped.
Fish. Yeah. Little guy. You guys aren't getting any bites? Well, I knew there was one following me. Up two. You got one. That's a fish?
I think I'm home.
Yeah, you're home. Yeah. They are definitely here, folks.
Reel, keep reeling.
Nice. Double.
Go easy.
Oh, it fell off.
Nice.
All right. Okay.
Let's not fire him up.
Good job. Oh, it's a big one. It's starting to heat up.
I'm getting confused sometimes. I think we're at 29. Now we're going to be at 30.
Yes, Brendan.
Easy. Take your time.
Oh.
Hey guys, hold on. Let them up front.
Oh. What is it? A big bass? Oh.
He just makes it look like a hog.
We're tied up.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
No way.
30.
Oh, no way, Jack. Wow. Double?
Really, he had that one.
What the hell was that?
You guys have a double picture yet?
Not yet.
Hold back.
You got it, Jack. Triple.
Oh, we got
There we go. There you go.
All right.
Triple up.
Nice.
Great, that's 3 more. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
I'm waiting for a quad here.
Let's go ahead. I gotta get back into this. All right.
Like cousins.
Big one. Okay. Woo! No way.
This is out of control.
He was under the boat.
Oh my God, no way.
Better than the ocean fishing?
Yeah.
More action. Bobby, I'll get you
Yeah, just send me a new leader.
What's that one on?
Shaky head.
What was that one on?
Shaky head, and it's a big fish. Ed, this is a big fish. He's got me wrapped up on another line.
I don't have a net, so we're gonna have to.
Let's do it. Your hands are gonna. Oh, there we go. How's that one? Shaky head produces the bigger bass, huh?
Yeah.
Oh man. Awesome.
Nice.
Here you go, Brendan.
47 guys.
Oh, sweet.
Hey Ed, am I allowed to use
43, 42.
JJ's magic on your boat?
Yeah, go over.
fell.
Yep. Oh shit. Oh shit, the lid broke, Ed. I'm gonna have to dump this out then. Damn.
Once it heated up, I was able to like maintain my arm.
What?
Tell me, you missed that ball?
Got snagged and I broke off. Oh no, Ed, my Carolina rig is gone. What do I do? A little bit, just a reel a little bit less. Nope.
Here's my line.
Hey. Little guy.
Okay, I'm coming up. Let me go up. Let me go up. You got him? Yep, got him. Under the boat, huh?
Nice. Dude, that secret sauce works, man. That secret sauce works.
No way.
It's a fish.
You gonna put me down too?
He's got it.
Cool. 52.
Nice.
What the fuck? He like swoops in like a vulture.
What a snipe!
Yeah, dude, so sorry, man.
I can't wait.
Oh! How, bro?
I literally picked up with like 12 actually. He's the guy from
That one.
Yeah. No, I haven't yet, but I wanted to see that. I'm gonna have movie pass, so why not?
Ed, look at this one.
Oh yeah.
No, I'm down one. Oh, oh. Hey, Seth, did you have it? Oh, shoot, that looked good. Oh, man, look at this fat one right here. Oh, that's a big fish. Yup. No, this one, Ed. Oh, I foul hooked him. Hey, Ed, can you grab this rod? I think he's getting bit. This one right here. Oh, no way. He's got it. Julian's got it. Look at this guy.
Tell you, man. We invite you. We invite you.
Dude, you're on top of me. You're on top of me.
Going under me.
Yeah, what? Let it sink. Let it hit the bottom. Oh, that's it. That's it. Oh my God, I saw that bite. Dude, good job.
Oh, shoot.
That was a big one.
Yeah.
I saw that thing load up. You saw how the rod tip loaded up?
Yeah.
That's exactly it right there.
Tap.
Yeah. You've been getting bite every single cat.
Yeah, dude.
Oh my God, you gotta be kidding.
See that pop?
Damn.
It's the experience from last
Drop
year.
the line right there.
Yeah, it
Last
makes
year
a
when I was
difference.
here- Shoot. Okay. Wow, where'd you cast? Straight? Yeah, let's go. Tied now?
No, you're up 2 right now. Too easy.
41.
Oh man, they're strong.
It's a big one.
That is a big one, Ed.
Is it?
That's a nicer size one. Didn't realize you're 65. Ed, I'm gonna let you handle that, and I'm gonna get right back into it. Oh, that was a hit.
Me? No,
I'm just trying to mess with you. Right now should be game time. Yep.
43.
Nice.
Big one.
You died to
Down one.
Oh, that's a bite.
Oh, it says that here?
44.
What kind of weak hook set was that?
Is it on, Bob?
Yeah, it is.
Tell him, hey, you can do it your way. I got my way.
Oh, turn on that smack.
What was that?
Did you see it?
Yeah.
All right, count it.
Crap.
45.
Shoot, he's up one now. He gets it. He got it.
Hello. So, Bobby, what are you doing?
JJ's magic.
Secret sauce to beat us. I'm just saying.
Nah, dude, it doesn't matter, guys. It really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Look at how bright that is.
Yeah, I know. Well, we're moving. The boat's moving. You got to reel. Lift up. Reel. You got to fish. You got to fish.
Nice.
got one. Reel.
Oh, nice, Brent.
Dude, your fish always jumps and pops you off.
So you saw it?
Yeah.
Just you got one. Good.
Nice.
Okay. Woo! That fish barely bit it.
What's a hit?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Let out some line. Or is it already on? That fish looks like it's already on, dude. That fish looks like it's already on. Nice. Oh, dude, that's a bad one. You got this? Oh my god. Oh, you're on somebody's line. That's a fat one, dude. That fish took a while.
We got a double?
Oh, you guys
Double hook. This counts as two because, like, whoop. Nice.
Whoa, is that you, Bob?
Yep.
They're not
Okay. Oh, look at the size of this one.
Dude, that's a big one.
I know it's a big one. Okay.
Nice job.
This thing bit so hard. Hey, Heyman, try the front of that dock. Julian, I don't think that was a hit, man. Oh.
Oh. Is that you, Bob? Who that?
Huh?
Who's that? Hey, you?
Hey, Ed, I got a situation. Oh, there's a person there and a dog.